Hey, my name's Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know about applying for a recovery loan scheme loan with RBS, Royal Bank of Scotland. Well, watch this video to the end because I'm going to teach you everything you need to know, the pros and the cons, and everything in between about doing just that. Now, before that, I'm going to assume something here. I'm going to assume that there's a high chance, because you're watching and looking for a video like that you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, a coach, consultant, someone that's looking to start a business. Am I right? Well, look, this is the place for you. My name's Nicholson, and I've developed something very special called the Business Accelerator methodology. And that's helped me generate tens of millions of pounds in sales in my business. But not only that, it's helped thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners just like you to do the same. And so this channel is all about growing a business through business funding, through marketing, and everything in between. So while you're here, and before you get distracted by another YouTube video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, because I'm going to give you so much free content on the recovery loans scheme. It's going to blow your mind. And also give me a like on the video. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and will push this out to other entrepreneurs and business owners like you. So you'll be doing me a really big favor. I really, really appreciate it. Now, let's talk about the recovery loan scheme. What is it? Well, look, you probably have seen that the government had some incredible schemes that they've just finished. And those two schemes were, firstly, the CBILS loans. And the CBILS loans were tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands to millions of pounds that business owners that were mostly medium and large could use to fund their business to keep it trading through the pandemic. Now, they weren't suitable for most people, but what was even greater as a scheme was the bounce back loans. And so the bounce back loans were from £2,000 up to £50,000. And what made them incredible was that many business owners got them in days, if not hours, to keep their business going without credit checks, without having to do accounts, all of this stuff. It was very fast to get the funding. Now, the reason for that was that the government guaranteed 100% of the loan. And what I mean by that was, if you took one of those loans and for some reason your business didn't work out, then the government would guarantee the bank and give them all of that money back. So the risk for them was very, very low. And that meant that they were able to loan money fast. And so the key point of the bounce back loans was to keep your business alive. They wanted to keep as many businesses alive as they could until we got to daylight at the end, which we're getting to now. Now, eventually that scheme had to finish. And if you had a bounce back loan, I've got very good news for you. Very good news for you, so stick around. They've been replaced by something called the Recovery Loan Scheme, which launched on the 6th of April 2021. Now, these loans are from 25 grand up to many millions, and they're slightly different in the fact that they're not actually guaranteed by the government up to 100%, they're guaranteed up to 80%, which is still incredible, right? And that means if your business took one and it didn't work out, you'd be liable for 20%. The government would help the bank out with the other 80%, which would be really, really, really important for the bank in these times. Now, that does mean that it's not a safer bet for the bank. So they are going to be a little bit more selective on who they lend to. So prior to applying, and if you're looking to apply with RBS or anybody, this will be the same, you need to do a few things first. What you need to do is get everything organized in your business. So you need to go on Companies House, check, have you done your annual return? Are your accounts up to date? And if they're not, I would recommend prior to even applying that you get that stuff sorted, that you get things in place so you are able to sail through the application process. Another thing they're going to do is they are going to check your personal credit rating. And so what you should do, if you haven't or you're unsure, is just check what that is at the moment. And look, don't panic if it's not good. because you don't have to apply for the recovery loan scheme straight away. You can work on your credit rating and you can start some momentum and getting that improved very quickly. So I'd recommend paying people on time that you owe money to. That will improve your credit rating. If you've got CCJs, reach out to those people and try and get a settlement offer. Now, the good news is if you had a bounce back loan already, you can actually get a recovery loan scheme loan, which is crazy, right? So you're able to get a second loan now. And the reason for that is the recovery loan was the bounce back loan was to keep you alive, to keep your business trading. This set and this round of loans, these are to get you back on track, get you trading again, get your business moving forward. So you need to be looking at investing it in things like marketing, because you're not going to grow without marketing in your business. Now, who should be applying with RBS? Well, the first people that should be applying are people that already have an account with the Royal Bank of Scotland, right? If you have an account with them, this is the best lender for you to get a recovery loan scheme with, because that means you've already got a relationship, you've already got an account, they've already got paperwork on file, they've already got a history of your business. So they are the best option for you right now. Even if you go with someone else, you're still going to have to show your history anyway. So go with the person that you've got the relationship with already. Now, one thing that I've noticed is not every single bank this time round is actually offering the recovery loan scheme. There are less providers than there were with the bounce back loans at this point in time. So if your bank doesn't give you the recovery loan scheme, they don't have it, then you should be looking to apply with RBS. You should be looking to first and foremost open an account with the Royal Bank of Scotland, and then, and only then, you should be looking at that instance, you need to be looking at applying for the recovery loan scheme with them. So get the relationship firstly with the account, and then in your online banking, you will see the option to apply for it. So that's who should be applying, who shouldn't be applying, and a little bit about what it is. But I want to know, what do you think about this recovery loan scheme? Comment below and give me a like on here. And if you didn't already, make sure, guys, that you give me a subscribe. It's really going to help me grow the channel and give me more incentive to give more value to you. Now, before you go, I've got a very special offer. Now, look, clearly as I said, you're a business owner and you want to grow a business. And I want to give you a free copy of my new book, Expert Mastery. This is a real book, not one of those ebook things, right? And so in the description of this video is a link. If you click on that link now, you will be able to grab yourself a copy of Expert Mastery, and we'll ship that out to you in the next few days. So look, all you need to do, click on the link, fill in your details. Now, here's the catch. You're going to pay for the shipping. It's a couple of pounds. I'm going to pay for the book. We're going half on this, guys. But it's an incredible book, and it lays out my Business Accelerator methodology and exactly how you can get and keep customers. It's a 5-step process that any business can use. Thousands of business owners have used it to grow a business. So do that now. Click on there. Do all the other stuff. Subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get to know each other. Thank you for watching this video. I've been James Nicholson. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.